Today is the final installment in the Owatonna Mustang 330 skid steer revival project. I've got it out and running. It seems to work pretty good. I put some old spare wagon tires I had laying around on this machine. When I drug it out of the shed, the tires that were on it were pretty rotten and wouldn't hold air, so I've scavenged up some tires off some hay wagons and corn wagons I had laying around. We've got the 26 horse Kawasaki liquid cooled fuel injected V-twin engine in the machine here. I've been running around a little bit. One thing I have found is that the muffler is definitely too close to the seat. I need to definitely going to have to do some sort of a heat shield there. The back end of the seat's getting pretty hot. But otherwise, it seems to work pretty well. I've got a couple of small hydraulic fluid leaks I need to chase down yet. I will probably buy some new skid steer tires for it. I think the steering linkage might need a little bit of adjustment too, but it's not too bad. It seems to work and it is actually usable now. So without any further ado, let's fire it up and take it for a little drive. We'll climb into it here. And there we are. Climb down off the machine here. So I think this turned out pretty well. The project over the course of winter evolved a little bit. Instead of putting the old Wisconsin motor back in it, I picked up this Kawasaki motor, and I think it's going to work pretty well. So we'll put this project to bed. We can go ahead and use this machine now. I think I'm going to keep it at least for a while and use it. I have a bigger skid steer, but this one will be handy for a few things. So until the next exciting project comes along, we'll call this a wrap and have a good day.